I am Anita Linge, Assistant Professor in Botany, Venkatesh Mahajan Senior College, Usmanabad. I am presenting seminar for UGC HRDC Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Marathwada University, Aurangabad in online refresher course in Biological Science and Technology from 15 November 2021 to 29 November 2021. My seminar topic is replication of DNA. My roll number is 12. First, we see the replication of DNA. Definition: one of the most important properties of DNA that it can make exact copies of itself is called as replication of DNA. Means that from parental DNA strand to exact similar DNA copies are formed is called as replication of DNA. The two strands of DNA double helix are united by hydrogen bond between purine and pyrimidine base pair. When this hydrogen bond is when the hydrogen bond break down, the two strands are separated during the process of replication. When the two strands are separate, the nucleotide is free. We know that DNA is present into the nucleus. The nucleus contain free nucleotides which form nucleotide pool. Those containing free adenine, guanine, cytosine, thymine, nitrogenous bases. The free nucleotide pairs with nucleotide of two separated strands by means of hydrogen bond. Free adenine pairs with the thymine nucleotide of strand and free guanine pairs with cytosine of strand. Means that A is pairs with T and G is pairs with C. In this way, new strand is formed. Then we see the outline of replication. Replication takes place during the interphase between two mitotic cycles. We know that the different phases of mitosis, out of which interphase is one. In this phase, DNA is doubled. That means DNA is replicate. The next, replication is a semi-conservative process. That is, from one parental DNA, two exact copies of DNA is formed. Out of these two copies, two double helix, one strand is new and another strand is old. That mode of DNA replication is called as semi-conservative mode of replication. Then the process of DNA replication requires DNA template, a primer, deoxyribose nucleoside triphosphate, that is DATP, DCTP, DTTP and DGTP. Then it also requires DNA unwinding protein, superhelix relaxing protein, RNA polymerase to synthesis RNA primer. Replication starts at a specific point called the origin of replication. The two strands of DNA double helix unwind with the help of DNA unwinding protein. It is also called as DNA binding protein. So that the two strands are unwind. The unwinding of DNA strand imposes a strain which is relieved by superhelix relaxing protein. The primer is synthesized by the DNA template, which is close to the origin of replication. This is catalyzed by RNA polymerase enzyme. Deoxyribose nucleotide are now added to the 3' OH end of RNA primer. We know that RNA primer having two end, 5' and 3' OH end, of which 3' OH end new nucleotides are added. In this way, the new strand is synthesized on DNA template by the action of DNA polymerase third enzymes, the in which is complementary to the template DNA strand, but there is a difference between these, that is there is a present RNA primer. These primer these primer which is not exactly similar or which is different. So these two DNA strand are not complementary. That's why there is a necessary to remove primer. The enzyme DNA polymerase first is now degrade RNA primer and simultaneously also synthesis of short DNA segment to replace the primer. So the DNA polymerase first is also two function, that is the synthesis of new DNA strand, that is the catalytic activity, and removal of RNA primer, that is the exonuclease activity. The gap is then joined by DNA ligase enzyme. So there is a little gap between the DNA strand and the removal of RNA primer. This gap is then joined by DNA ligase enzyme. The replication takes place consists of one strand is continuous and other strand is discontinuous. The continuous strand is called as leading strand and discontinuous strand is called as lagging strand. A short DNA fragment which is present into the lagging strand, that DNA fragment is called as the Okazaki fragment. These fragments are then joined by DNA ligase enzyme to form continuous strand. In this way, new strand is synthesized which is complementary to the template DNA strand. So from one parental DNA, new two exact copies of DNA is formed, in which one is old DNA and another is new DNA strand. This is all about the replication of DNA. Thank you very much.